Today we will discuss our chapter 3, keyboard and its keys. So what is keyboard and what are its different types of keys? We will discuss in today's lecture. Beta, have you seen the mobile, Casio and calculator? What is common in between? These all are having keys to work. We type with the help of the keys on mobile. We play music with the help of keys on music. We do calculations with the help of calculator. In the similar way, keyboard also have different type of keys to type on the monitor. Let's discuss one by one. So beta, these are the number keys from 1 to 0. These are alphabet keys: tab, caps lock, shift, space bar, control, alt. These all are special keys. Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are used to type words, letters and sentences. Number keys 1 to 0. These are used to type numbers. Special keys, space bar. This is used to add space between words, letters or numbers. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase the letter from the left of the cursor. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to type the letters in capital form. Beta, again have a look. Number keys, alphabet keys, special keys, space bar, alt, control, shift, enter, backspace. The keyboard is also known as QWERTY keys. Q W E R T Y. QWERTY keyboard. Moreover, special symbols are present on the number keys to type special symbols in your document. Now we will discuss the practical part of the keyboard. First of all, I am typing alphabet keys. Have a look. When I am typing alphabet keys, the alphabets are being typed on my screen. Now I am typing numbers, number keys. Then the numbers will be typed on my monitor. Next, these 4 are arrow keys: up, down, left, right. Down arrow key, up arrow key, right, left. So I can move my cursor up, down, left and right direction with the help of arrow keys. Next is special keys. First we will take space bar. Space bar is used to give space between the letters, words or sentences. So we can give space with the help of space bar. Next is caps lock. Beta, have a look. As I am typing with lowercase, small letters, but when I click on this button, that is caps lock on, the letters will be typed in capital form. With the help of caps lock key, I can type letters in capital form. Again, clicking on the caps lock, I would able to type in lowercase. Next is enter. To move the cursor to the next line, I press enter key. Enter key is used to move the words or sentences to the next. Next is symbol keys. The symbols present on the upper side of the number keys can be typed on the screen with the help of shift. If I press shift and 1, have a look, this symbol is being typed on my screen. And if I only press 1, then 1 number is being pressed on my screen. So, shift key is used to type the symbols on the screen, and moreover, along with the shift key, if I press a word, a letter, then it type in capital form. The other two keys are backspace and delete. These both are used to erase a letter or word. The difference is, if my cursor is on this between 9 and 8 and I am pressing backspace. Backspace means the word is deleted off left of its side, and if I press delete key, then the word is deleted from right side. Backspace key, delete key. Beta, 12 function keys are present on our keyboard to perform specific functions in our computer. Keyboard. Keyboard. Keyboard means different keys are present on the keyboard. We can type with the help of keyboard. Next one is mouse. Mouse have 2 buttons and a scroll wheel to move the page. Left button to click and right button to show different pop-up menus. This is mouse. It is a pointing device. It has 1, 2, left, right, 2 buttons, and in center there is a scroll bar to move the screen.